Okay, so this says Harold and his friend, find the greatest common factor, of the expression you wrote in part C. So in part C, we wrote the expression 8 plus 12. Rewrite the expression as, first we need to find the greatest common factor, and then we're going to rewrite the expression as a multiple of a sum of two whole numbers with no common factor, meaning that we're going to use that reverse distributive property to factor out the greatest common factor. So what we've been doing throughout this whole lesson. So I'm going to make a T-chart for 8 and a T-chart for 12. And 8 I can get by multiplying 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. 3 won't go in and 4 repeats. 12 I can get by multiplying 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. And so the greatest common factor I can see in both lists, so greatest common means for both of them, we have is the 4. So the 4 is that GCF. So that's the first part of our question. So the GCF is 4. And then when we factor out a 4 here, so we're going to put the 4 outside. 4 times 2 gives me 8. So that means if I take a 4 out of this expression, there's going to be 2 left in that first term. And 4 times 3 gives me 12. So if I take a 4 out, I'm going to have a 3 left. And so this would be the expression as a multiple of a sum of two whole numbers without a common factor. So 2 and 3 don't have any common factor, and we've factored out that 4 so that we have this basically simplified.